I wasn't playing when I said I was a rich bitch. Oh, what she saying? Money too loud, ho, I missed it. You ain't got no bag, feeding my ass.
Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emerald and I am currently a student esthetician on a journey to become a licensed esthetician. And in today's video, I'm showing you guys how to clean my 5-pound Starpil wax pot. And usually when I get down to the end of my pot, that's when I clean it. And you guys will see some brown residue, and that's from, you know, me wiping the wax on the side of the pot when I'm getting the wax off, and then it, you know, burns. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean out my wax pot or your wax pot. And I'm using Goo Gone. I got this from Dollar Tree just for $1, and even on Amazon it is the most reasonable wax remover that you can purchase. I'm also using 99% alcohol, and I am also using some antibacterial soap, you guys, just to disinfect my pot afterwards. I do not double dip, you guys. And my pot usually sits on a cart when I'm doing my services, but for the sake of the video, I took it out so you guys could see the full, you know, experience and how I do it and everything. And you will need a whole bunch of napkins, you guys. I'm just using some Little Caesars napkins because I'm not going to use my good napkins that I use, you know, for my services and stuff, and to clean for my services, you know, to clean my wax pot. So I use these, and you guys can see the glitter. I do put glitter in my wax pot, and this glitter is from my vendor. I'm still thinking about if I should sell it or not, but yeah, this is from my personal vendor. And I'm just getting all the wax out, you guys, and my wax pot is on its highest setting just so the wax could be a liquid form. You could actually tilt your wax pot over and pour the wax out if you want to, but I didn't because my wax pot is connected to, like, you know, my other cords and stuff, and I didn't want to do all that. So I'm just taking my Goo Gone, you guys, and I'm just going around the wax pot, getting all the residue, you guys. And this smells so good, and you want to wear gloves because you can end up burning yourself, and plus it's just for sanitary purposes. So this works really well, you guys, and I'm just going around my pot cleaning it, and it works so effortlessly, you guys. You won't be having to use all your elbow grease or none of that. The video is just sped up for you guys, you know, attention span. So I'm just wiping all around my pot. You want to get the inside, the outside, all over your pot. Wherever there is wax, you want to be wiping it off until all the wax is gone, you guys. You just want to keep wiping it down. So at this part, you guys, I did turn my wax pot down to its lowest setting because you do not want to cook your Goo Gone. It will be so many fumes, and it is unhealthy for you guys. So you just want to turn the wax pot down and really get up in there. You could use wax sticks if you want to clean the crevices, but I've been doing this for some time, and I just, you know, let it sit and just work it in. Leave me a blue heart emoji if you made it this far into the video down in the comment section, so I know that you are enjoying this video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I am pretty much done with the Goo Gone process. You guys can see my wax pot smoking a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys the side of my wax pot, how easy it was to wipe the wax off. And then I'm going in with my 99% alcohol just to get out all the Goo Gone residue, because you do not want to have Goo Gone in your wax pot left over because it will ruin your wax. You will not be able to lay your wax, and the wax will be like clumpy and gooey, like goo gum. Because this removes gum, it removes a lot of stuff, you guys. And you just want to go over your wax pot until you see like that matte look. I don't know if you guys could tell in the video, but now it's at its matte stage after using the alcohol. No, we are in a panini, so you might not be able to get your hands on some 99% alcohol, but you do want to have at least 70% of alcohol to get all the germs and get the cleanest result that you could get. And then I'm just pouring an antibacterial soap in there with some water to make a soapy bath, and this is just going to clean out any germs that is in the pot, any leftover goo gone that I missed with the alcohol, just everything, and to just disinfect my pot. You can also use Barbicide or Clorox wipes or Cavicide wipes, anything hospital grade, to get rid of all the bacteria that may be in here. But it's no bacteria in my pot, you guys. I do not double dip or anything like that, and I do take pride in sanitation when it comes to my equipment as well as my services. And I was running out of napkins, so that's why I'm using my hands, but you could use napkins to, you know, get the soapy bath all around your pot, or you could use a towel, but you know, I don't want to be wasting my good resources, so I'm taking alcohol again, you guys. You could do another rinse of the pot, but I take the alcohol because it gets everything out and it dries quicker. And at this stage, my wax pot is completely turned off. Get that mattified look again, then you know that everything is completely dry and clean. But that is pretty much all for this video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get the scoop on my esthetician journey and me being a business owner as a licensed esthetician. I will be showing you guys my home-based spa. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X, pretty little skinny little bitty body.